What did I bloody tell you? Look at that. So me prediction line didn't really work, but I said it was going to come back to this yellow line, and look what's happening, straight to it. So we'll probably lick this line and then back up to this 109. So that's my prediction for now. So we're pretty much at this yellow line, touch that, and then back up to this orange line. So we're looking at 2.35% on that one. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Might even draw a line. Boom, boom. That's my new prediction. Righto.